There's no way you can convince me that the reason why you don't want to be using your face to make a video on YouTube is because your phone camera is not clear or your phone camera is not sharp. Now, with the help of AI technology, Filmora 12 video editing software has now made it possible for you to improve and enhance the quality of your video and even enhance the quality of your face in a video. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can be able to change a video like this and transform this video to something like this. If you watch the initial video, which I just showed you in this video, you can see the quality of the face and the teeth and the eyes is not clean white. But with this Fillmora 12 video editing software, it can enhance and improve the quality of your face. You can see the new face. If you pay attention to the details of the enhanced video, you'll find out that the teeth and the eyes and the quality of the face is very smooth. The face is very smooth and the teeth and the eyes is pure white. Now, in this video, I'm going to take you on a step-by-step journey on how you can transform, enhance, and improve the quality of your video to make it look so smooth. Now, we're here in Filmora video editing software, Filmora 12, and I'm going to import this video. Okay, and let me play this video. I've imported it already. Let me just open this video so that you guys can see. If I open this video, you will see that if you look very close to this video, you will see that this guy's face is smooth, but watch the teeth. Okay, the teeth is not pure white, and I'm going to transform this video and make the teeth pure white, and we're going to replay this video. You will be so amazed when I finish transforming this video. Now we're going to go back to Filmora video editing software. I've already imported the video, so I have to drag this video and bring it in here. I'm not going to take so much long. When you play this video, you can still make it big here. Now, when you bring in this kind of video, after you're done editing, doing every single thing, adding titles, adding transition, when you're done editing your video, the next thing you're going to do, this is one feature I love in Filmora video editing, and to be very honest with you, I will make another detailed video and show you some other features in the Filmora video editing 12. And this is one feature that made me love this Filmora video editing 12. And this is the software that I've been using to make all the videos on my YouTube channel. The very best thing I did for myself about 3 or 4 years ago is to buy the lifetime license of this Filmora video editing software. And I started Filmora video editing right from Filmora 9. And we entered to 10 and 11 just like that. Now, go to Effects. If you go to Effects, you will see this is beautiful. You can see it's written beautiful here. Now drag this beautiful and bring it in this video. Go to the part where that beautiful is. You can still drag it to the end of this video, but I want to show you guys the difference. Now click here. If you click here, you will notice something. Look at this guy's face here. This guy's face here is smoother than when he's here. You see? Watch the face here and watch the face here. Okay, good. Okay, as the face is here, watch. I'm going to drag this effect and cross it and watch the face here now. You see how the face is? You see how the teeth is? I'm still going to leave it here, and I'm going to work on the teeth. Double click on this effect. Once you double click on this effect, you can see the beauty. You can take the beauty. The beauty is at 74%. You can take the beauty to 100%. This is smooth face. Smooth face. If you take it down, pay attention to the face, you will see the face is now normal. Now, if you take it up, you can see how the face is now. Now, look close to this teeth. You can see the teeth is not too white. It's like cream color. Now I'm going to do something. Now you can also whiten the face and darken the face. Okay, you can see whiten teeth. Now come to this whiten teeth and type 50 and click enter. Did you notice something? You see how this guy teeth is? Is now clearer. Now let me take this whiten teeth to 100. Let's go and look at the teeth. See how clean this guy teeth is shining. The guy teeth is so white. You can see. Now let me go to the part where we can see, let's undo, where we can see his eyes. You can see his eyes. Now scroll up and go to eyes. From here you can scroll and go to brighten eyes. I'm going to make it 50. Pay very good attention to these eyes, to his eyes. 50, enter. You see, the eyes is brighter. You can still take this eye to 100 and look at the eyes now. Now I'm going to take this to 100 and I'm going to go back to beauty, and I'm going to take this whiten teeth to 100. There are so many other things you can do here as well. Let me reduce this smoothing first to 75. Click enter. There are a lot of things you can also do here. You can go to face and shrink face. You can shrink face. You can shrink jaw. You can narrow face. Let me shrink the jaw. You see? Are you noticing the difference? You see? This is shrink face. You see? The chin is now slimmer or is reduced. You can see the difference. You can notice something on that face if I am turning this thing. So let me leave it at default as well. Narrow face. You see, you can narrow face. You can do a whole lot of changes here. So, but I'm going to just do the teeth, and we're going to click OK. So now the teeth, if you go to the teeth, you go to the beauty 75, whiten teeth is 100, eyes, let me see the eyes, brighten eyes is 100. Now let's go back and replay this video so that you guys can see. You see how this guy's teeth is shining. The guy's teeth is very clear and very white. The guy's teeth is very clean. So we're going to produce this video and we're going to compare it with the initial one. Let me call this video whiten teeth. And I'm going to produce this video now. It's just going to take a few seconds and it's done. Filmora is very fast, and my system, I'm using a Core i7 16 gig RAM. So it's very fast. You see the way it's streaming, although it's just a few seconds, or I think a few seconds video. So it should be done in less than 1 minute. So this video has finished. Open it. Once you open it, you can see the video. The video is here. That's the video. And I'm going to go to my desktop as well and open the other one. This is video. Okay. I'm going to open this old one and open the one we just edited now so that we can compare. Let me open this one in VLC. So you guys should see this video. This is the original one. Let's watch this video. You can see how this guy's teeth is in the old video. The teeth is cream in color. The face is okay. The face is okay. But let's play this so that you guys can see the difference. You can see how this one, the face is smoother, the teeth is very white, the eyes is very clear, the teeth is really shining. So with this Filmora 12 video editing software, you have no reason to tell me that you cannot do video with your face, because this is going to do all the correction. So with this Filmora 12 video editing software, you cannot tell me that is your phone camera or whatever camera is not clear. That is why you're not using your face to make social media or YouTube videos. Because with this Filmora 12 video editing software, it's going to do all the work for you. No matter how bad your camera is. I made a video the last time and I showed you guys how you can improve the audio of your video. So I am going to put that video at the end of this video so that you can watch it for those of you that have not watched it. So that is it. For those of you that are watching my video for the first time, my name is Asuiken Nakisle, and on this channel I give you tips and solutions on how to make money online and other relevant tips that helps in our daily online space. But during the weekend, I make sure I give you updates on new games and apps in the virtual reality space.
Hey, let him hit me. Don't let up.
Not good, not good.
So if you wouldn't want to miss any of my video, make sure you're subscribed to this channel and make sure the notification button is turned on so that you'll be the first to know once I upload a new video. I will see you guys in my next video. You guys should stay creative and remain blessed. And if this video was helpful to you in any way, make sure you give this video a thumbs up.